Gusto ko yung gumawa ka na ng conversation.
Saying na selective daw yung hearing ko. I'm not bingi. Selective hearing lang.
Wow!
So, encounters pa lang ng bats. Yeah, sir, anong purpose ng travel? Bilis ko sumagot, Lady Gaga concert. Sabi ni ate, ay, ang specific. Ay, specific. Ay, leisure travel ate.
Ginawa mong immigration yung...
Expecting that she would ask for the QR ng travel tax. So, ready ko na sa utak ko. And then sabi ni ate, sabi ko sa small talk lang ako, sabi niya na, may costume ka na, sir? So sabi ko, ay wait ate, may screenshot ako. In my head, kasi it was like there. And then ate goes like, ay, back ready siya. May screenshot ng costume. Sabi ko, ay ate, yung QR yung nasa
ng travel tax. I love it. Oh, as the Tita Joey, may print out ng...
You're a Gen X.
Wait, patingin na how about the flight? Here you going. It's giving OFW realness. Pero
Inside the terminal, they are not authorized. Airport security is actively monitoring the area for your protection.
true, it's giving.
So this is how
Good morning and thank you for waiting. Philippine Airlines Flight PR730 bound for Bangkok is now ready to accept passengers for boarding through gate number 12.
On the floor. Go get your friends, little girl.
If you have friends.
cute. It's not about.
Yes. Ooh, it's giving cinematography.
Itatago mo ba ito?
Yes. Yes. What's up? Oh, you have some. Come to the feminine or what? Come. Hello, everyone. So I think this is gonna be the intro to my vlog. I hope you can hear me. I'm inside the toilet of the plane. So, ang mahal ng plane ticket. So, someone's outside. Okay, so I was trying to say earlier, I think this is gonna be the intro to my vlog. So, we're already inside the plane. Ooh. Ooh, you better serve. Ooh. Okay.
Parang mambobosa.
Ang gulo nila. So, I wanted to show you a few clips when we were planning this trip. Also, when we bought the tickets. Insert Joey crying here. Next is when we... Ang ingay kasi. For a sound. Oof. I'm now filming.
Attention all ground staff. We will be closing the door. We would like to request our passengers to please take your assigned seats and fasten your seatbelts. Please put your
Parang dapat ganito na lang.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Singapore.
Just landed in Singapore. Oh. We're here.
ready for you, Mother Monster.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you.
Oh.
Copacabana, we're here.
Wait, I wanted to say something. Well, nakatulog kami, pero nung sinabing beef or chicken, nagising na ako.
Tama naman.
I do declare, Glaze.
Sabihin mo, saan siya dalahin?
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin. Tang ina ka.
Dalahin ka sa Singapura. Welcome to Copacabana, Singapura. Yes. Hi guys, so our first order of business dahil kay Jenny is the Pokemon store. Hold the fuck on. Yeah, so we're going there. Yes, Jenny! Yeah! True. Hindi naman mukhang... Are you looking for anything specific?
I am looking for pero I will look muna if there are cards.
Oh. Ayun ang cards. Right on over there. So yeah, Jen and Riku still inside the Pokemon store. Honestly, no hate to the Pokemon fans. Couldn't give a about Pokemon, so I'm just waiting here outside. Buti na lang, it's gonna be a pretty chill day. So we're gonna spend most of our time eating, but that's it because tomorrow is the Mayhem show, so we're saving up our energy for that. Sumuko na si Riku, so dalawa na kami naghihintay kay Jenny. TikTok, TikTok! Pokemon Sleep! And if you're looking for Joey, Joey is with Tito Bob's right now. So yeah, it's just us for now. Also, I haven't addressed. You're blue. I am. Look at this Pokemon. She's giving drag queen. She's giving eco-cosplay ni Aja. Ooh, it's Blase Balon. Whoever she might be. After 300 years, what's the damage?
Mabilis long, T.
No. Alam ng vlog yan.
I got an easy link Pokemon Sana. Should I call Joey? Baka he wants one.
Yeah. Here's Jenny's card. I would honestly buy one. Pero Jenny, pwede mo naman gamitin yung credit card or card mo. So, I'm not spending on that ish. Yeah!
So, when we come back, may Nintendo store daw at Victor Loves.
Here she is. Ayan. Joey is not here kasi kinick out namin siya kasi may bahay siya dito. A message to Joey, everyone.
Okay.
Fuck you daw. Hi! We just freshened up. Outfit check. We're outside our ng mga Pinoy. Yes. Hi! Come on, Pokemon Go. Okay, let's go. Which side? So, the funny thing is, not funny pala, amazing thing. Ayan yung MRT, and ito yung hotel. So, maliit man ang room, best believe, hop in, hop out kami of the location. So, we're staying around Little India, as you can see. And there are a lot of like Indian places, restaurants and shit. So, we're just gonna find coffee. Wow, look at this Indian market. Cute, very streets of India. Well, it's Little India after all, mama. I heard maraming temples dito, Jenny.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Sabi kanina ni Emmanuel. Hi vlog, I'm so sorry. We just had our first hawker. Sorry for cheating, pero the food was
May description naman tayo.
yes. Go to Jenny's Instagram kung i-edit niya on time. Clocked. Grabe oily ko na. We're off to Lau Pasat for our second hawker today. Parang nag-appetizer lang kami doon. I wanna eat more. So yeah. Jenny, don't be shy. Oh my god, guys, we're here in Lau Pasat. It's my favorite hawker place. Well, sabi nila mahal daw, but for me, I like it here. Look, it's my favorite food here in Lau Pasat. It's right over there. Number 4. Yes!
Sa pagiging market.
Hello.
Sa pagiging market, but that's basically it.
Yeah. You'd enjoy the food better than that. What do you get?
Hindi pa, hindi. Medyo busog pa ako.
Okay, kuha ka nito.
Peanut, chicken, parang chicken sandwich na yung sauce, peanut sauce, parang yung peanut sauce.
Akala ko ano siya. Parang look natin para siyang luma.
This is giving curry.
Yeah. Okay, mas curry. But get mo yung peanut sauce.
Very sweetness from parang peanut sauce.
Yeah. Yun yung unang kumakit ako.
Yes.
Peanut sauce.
Ang notes niya very leafy, very curry, parang sweet peanut.
Yeah. Is it spicy though? Like ano? Spicy. How would you describe it? So, sa amin,
So, ito mga bading are trying to describe food as long as it's good. People, we are not a rocket scientist. It's either masarap or hindi. That's what you're gonna get from us. And
Yes.
is it good?
It is
It
good.
is good. And that's what matters. Yes.
Kinchay.
Kinchana.
Kinchay, ano pa?
What is that?
How's your food?
Good, pero busog na ako. Ang dami kasi namin nilapang sa the first stop.
Sa Little India. And
So hungry.
also my food. Sorry ang dugyot tignan. Pero, it's really good. Ang problema namin, yung one plate can probably feed kaming tatlo. So, we're too full.
And we're skinny.
Sure. And it's expensive. Honestly, mahal yung pagkain. But, who's counting? Not us. Patingin nga ma'am sa vlog. Girl, we only use an iPhone. Hindi siya mag-focus. Saan mo siya dalahin? Char. Philippines!
May isa pa silang
Philippines! Parang nasa ano lang, parang nasa pure gold.
section sa
Yes, we're in Watson's. Oh, hi. Char. How's Singapore so far?
Inaantok na ako po, tangina.
Lasing na to, ikaw.
Kilo.
Kayo. Shot niyo yan. Charot. Tangina niya. Jenny, you're having coffee and what time is it?
6, 7 p.m. We're lang
Yeah.
buying.
Yes. Ayan na ang...
And eto lang yung magandang option na malaki.
Yeah, I know. Shame on us, Arabica, pero we know it's just for our energy. So there's this huge line for this drink. O yan, go. I-first impression mo na.
Okay, this is a grape cream. This is one of their best sellers, I think.
Okay, try it.
Ooh, that's good.
Ano lasa? It's giving what? Putang ina, ang sarap.
Oh, wow. Gusto ko yung tamis and acid.
It's so the very
Sarap nung ano, may mga grapes pa na ano.
It's in the likeness and the apple and this thing.
I think the apple this thing, it's so yummy good.
Wait lang. Dadali na. Gets? Gets ba? Wag tayong bobo ah. Magbasa. Gets niya yan. Joey, nasan ka na? Nananawagan po kami. So,
Nasa ka na, Joey, hindi pwedeng si Rico lang yung
yes.
nag-ano ng trend.
So ang dynamics today, kami ni Jen, vibes lang. Tapos si Rico yung, okay. Jenny, meron kaming, okay, mamaya na natin i-reveal pagka dito si Joey. Dito sa Hong Kong, kailangan mabilis kang gumalaw. May iwanan ka. Joy! Tang ina mo, Joy. Charot.
Sana.
Uy!
Sama mo naman ako dito.
Wala ka bang balak na samahan ako? Hoy, come na. Parang may kasama ako. Samahan mo ko dito.
Aminin mo, minsan ka nang tinigasan sa...
Yes!
Aminin mo, minsan na din tumigas yan dahil sa akin.
Kitang-kita yung mata ni Joey sa vlog. Eyes reveal. Gustong mangagat ng mga braso. Grabe ba ang ano, sabi ni Joe, nang bash na, narinig.
What is that?
What is that?
Tapat mo sa akin. Anything is a dildo.
Yes! Whatever that is.
One more. Anything is a dildo as long as you're brave enough.
Ooh. Hello vlog. I can show myself. I'm literally correct. I'm so tired. I look so ugly. See you tomorrow. It's Gaga Day tomorrow. Let's just salay. Put it there, gorge. Ayaw nila iuwi guys yung Apple Pencil for me. My friends hates me. Girl, ayaw niya bumalik. Yes. Nandito na ang mga Sebpak girlies. First time.
Hi bro, akong lalaro ako
Yeah.
bro.
Ganda. Wala akong marinig.
Come on, bro. You better bro the house down, boo.
Hoy, come na. Parang may kasama ako. Samahan mo ko dito.